Hello dear colleagues, partners and investors. I'm Alexander Sudarev and we're on the territory of the Special Economic Zone Technopolis, Moscow, specifically the Alabushevo site. This is the place where the construction of the future innovative center of SovElMash will take place. In the background you can see the hoarding that has been erected in accordance with the requirements of the Moscow authorities. In the last video we showed you the heavy machinery working at the site, leveling the ground to erect the hoarding you can see now. The information stand has already been installed. Thanks to it, every passer will be able to read about the project being constructed here by us. Apart from the information stand, there are also stands installed here that demonstrate the exterior of the future design and engineering department. That's why now we will do our best to show you the whole scope of work that we have already completed and that we are yet to complete. Enjoy watching the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the like button and the bell icon and repost this video. This will contribute a lot to the development of the project Duyunov Motors. Thank you for watching the video and see you again.